previously on Dragon Ball Z.
Alright, step 2. On to what I think is going to be the better result. Even if the angle is a little more extreme. Okay, I'm not at a good angle to face. I'm working beauty a little bit. Oh yeah, like a champ. Alright, that's pretty much what I was expecting. Good result on the thick boy. Scratched it up on the way up, but I wasn't exactly careful with it, so I'm not even going to bother facing the aluminum. I mean, I can give it an old touch real quick, but I think the angle it's at, I have to adjust it to actually do facing work. Yeah, not great for face. At this angle anyways. Okay. Oh yeah, way more aggressive with it. That's handling it great. I mean, for as little rigidity as I've got in this machine, it's working great. So, I mean, I can't complain for just that tank section of the butterknife. In the finish, I'm not unhappy with. It's not, like, gorgeous by any means, but I don't know how well that comes out. Like, if you're in a pinch and this is what you got, I mean, you can make it work. A little bit of Scotch-Brite, you wouldn't even notice. Alright, I went ahead and spent some time off camera, and I refined the grind. I think I got a little bit better of a tip on there now, so... not really. I'm just gonna show people, if you've never really dealt with lathes, what it actually should look like. And that's how we do it. Honestly, worst finish. God damn it. I'm going back to the butter knife.
He grabbed the butter knife with a wild, bright grin. Looked at the task, let the madness begin. Twisting and bending, oh what a scene. Fixing up problems with ideas obscene. He said to the wrench, you can't tell me no. Filed down the blade, gave it a new show. Sparks flying high, his genius debatable. Replacing precision with methods unstable. Butter knife's the tool, yeah, he changed the design. In a world made of chaos, he says works just fine. It may not be right, it may not be sleek, but give him 5 minutes, call the fix unique. Hey! Grab some duct tape, added to the easy affair. A clamp so tight it might catch your stare. Testing his creation, unshaken, unbowed. Whispered, I'm a genius, as he wowed the crowd. Ratcheting wrong with a screwdriver shove. Who needs the right tool when push comes to shove? Don't doubt the mind that turns madness to gear. In his metal-filled kingdom, no failure is near. Butter knife's the tool, yeah, he changed the design. In a world made of chaos, he says works just fine. It may not be right, it may not be sleek, but give him 5 minutes, call the fix unique. Hey! Ratcheting wrong with the screwdriver shove. Who needs the right tool when push comes to shove? Don't doubt the mind that turns madness to gear. In his metal-filled kingdom, no failure is near. Hey! Butter knife's the tool, yeah, he changed the design. In a world made of chaos, he says works just fine. It may not be right, it may not be sleek, but give him 5 minutes, call the fix unique. Unique.
Alright, here comes the stainless. Just kidding. If you want to see the stainless steel, you gotta let me know about that one, because that sucks. So butter knife, what's the verdict? It's usable. That's what I thought it was. It's harder than aluminum, so it obviously cut it. And yeah, I mean, I don't know how much more you can expect out of a butter knife cutting into some aluminum. If that's all you got, you know, it'll work. It's not smart. I wouldn't advise it. If you want to see anything else, feel free to comment. Please share, like, subscribe, all that fun jazz, and I'll see you on the next one.